Hey there, we just got a signal to go short. So I am going to get into this sell trade. Now I'm in the trade. My stop loss is going above this recent swing high and my take profit is going 1-to-1. Now, the reason for this trade is we are in a downtrend. This indicator at the bottom is the trend indicator and it is red. We were looking for the pullback. We got the pullback of the array, turning the array from red to green, and then we resumed that trend direction. So on this one candle here, we've got all the criteria met for a short trade. We got the candle that closed underneath the array. The arrow appeared above the candle. The validator dot on this one candle turned red. And again, during that pullback, this trend indicator stayed red throughout that entire process. So at this point, I'm going to let this trade play out. And if I get an opportunity to manage the trade, I will do that along the way. But I'm going to record this video, let it go. And when we get our take profit hit, I will return. All right, we got taken out of this trade. Now, this trade was a little bit of a nail biter. We had the market get just below our exit, but because this is a sell trade, we need to get below the exit level by whatever the spread is, and we didn't quite do that. So both of these wicks here got below that exit level, but didn't tag the actual exit mark. This one white candle here, the wick got right to that exit level, but again, it didn't get below it by the spread. And finally, we did get a candle that took us out. Now, we were able to manage the trade along the top side of this array, and that did ultimately get us into profit. So if we were going to lose on this trade, we would not have lost any money on it. We would have made just a little bit of money, or in this case, because we hit the target, we made all the money. Now, this was a fantastic trade thanks to the FX Profitude trading system, and I'll see you in another live trade video. In just a few seconds, we could be getting a buy signal on the EurUsd. Now, we've got the buy signal, so I am going to get into a trade. I'm in a buy trade right now. So my stop loss is going to go just under the swing low. My take profit is going to be 1-to-1. So we're moving it just up here. And at this point, I'm simply going to let the trade play out. So on the close of this one candle, the array was completely green, and the leading edge was above the trailing edge. Now, at the time of this signal, we got the trend indicator to turn green. So we have that first instance of that green trend indicator. So when we've got that green trend indicator and we do have the signal to go long, this is a valid buy trade. So from here, I'm simply going to let this trade play out. And when we get our take profit hit, I will be back. This trade hit the take profit. It was fairly easily done. It did take a little while, but we weren't in any real risk of getting stopped out. This was another fantastic trade thanks to the FX Profitude trading system. Hey there, we're looking to take a FX Profitude short trade, and we're looking at the Australian dollar, US dollar. This is the 4-hour time frame. We're looking at a nice short setup. We've got a downtrend shown to us by the red Profitude array. The price was under the array and has now pulled back into the array. The array has printed some green, and with that, we're looking for it to turn back to all red as the price moves back down. Currently, the validator dots are red, and the trend indicator is also red, and this is giving us all of the signs for a short trade. What we're waiting for now is to get a red arrow to appear above this current candle, and when it closes with that red arrow, I will enter a short trade. So I'm going to wait for that, and as soon as that happens, I will be going short. The candle closed, giving us that red arrow. The new candle has opened and I entered the trade. My stop loss is placed in the most appropriate location. My target is down here at 1-to-1. The take profit on this trade is going to be 105 pips. And now that everything is good to go, I'm going to let the trade play out and I will be back when the take profit gets hit. The trade just hit the take profit and got us out with our nice 105 pip win. This was a really clean and easy trade thanks to the FX Profitude trading system.